Good morning, everybody. All right, market is just going non-stop up. We are getting parabolic. Let me show you guys here something. So parabolic moves, they go like this. If you know tulip mania, it was like I think in 1700th century, and it went crazy. And right now, if you remember like SMCI, how it run from 300 to 1200, or Tesla, how it run, from $200 to 6,000. I'm not saying SPX or Dow Jones is gonna do like that, but it's showing some signs. And right now, but just remember, at any time, it's possible parabolic move gives big pullback and then bigger run up again. So gotta be careful. And right now you can see here on the ES RSI, on the daily, weekly, and 4 hour, all is in the overbought zone, but it's running up, and every dip is getting bought, and always there's some catalyst to go run higher. Nvidia yesterday 12:15, it start jumping a little bit up, and then all the semis followed, and we just went crazier up into the close. And yeah, so anyhow, let's see what's going on. Pre-market right now, 5, 15, 31 hours downward. 4 hour is a little bit curved down. Still, we don't have dark blue bar. And yesterday, even though we did, well, not on the ES, on the SPY. 4 hours curved down a little bit. Very bullish on daily and weekly. And RSI, as I said, is in the overbought zone. NQ, 15, 31 hours downward. 4 hour, we're getting a dark blue bar, first dark blue bar. And RSI in all same thing like ES. Dow Jones is still hasn't broke all-time high yet in these run-ups. Once it does that, then it can get interesting. Daily MACD is golden cross because of this gap up on the futures. So yeah, RTY, still weakness there, but let me see something. Yesterday had a nice run up, but this one is just not so much favorable so far. All market right now is focused on the AI. Um, Good morning, Adriana. And good morning, Amnon. DXY, 5, 15, 31 hours downward, 4 hour downward, daily pushing up. So it's opening below 105,492. If it runs down lower, next target is a 105,145, 104,798. And just keep in mind, the lower DXY goes, the market can squeeze up higher. 10-year note, a little bit red. The fall and the retail report, 15, 31 hours downward, and daily and weekly direction is down. If this goes below 4, it can get really interesting for market. Wix, still bearish on the TTM squeeze on the daily and weekly. 4 hour upward. Anytime you see it goes above 1307, gotta be cautious. And yesterday it was interesting. It opened above 13. Once it fell below it, market got a squeezy up. Um, SPX, let me show you the levels there. How beautiful these levels are. Um, so 40, 54.86 was just very interesting. Once it broke 54.57, went to 54.70, 54.86. Above that, next targets are 55.09, 55.46, 55.84. And let me see if I have my 6,000. Everybody's talking about 6,000. Can we get there? Let me see if what's my final level there. Is that my final? Look, my final level is 9,000. So 9,033. Let me actually do a fib there. Papa. All right. So 55, 55.84 most likely is gonna come before September. If not by next week, but this is speed, maybe it comes sooner. So 9,033.84, 55, 84, 28. All right, so next target, if we do pass 55.84, next few weeks, next major target is 63.98. All right, enough of this long term. BTC, 4 hour was golden crossing yesterday, but then again last night I don't know what happened. It dumped again. So daily, weekly is downward direction, 4 hour dead cross down, and this one is I'm not sure what's going on, but direction is down on the 15:30 and 1 hour right now pre-market. Ethereum bigger dump last night, and if it breaks below 33.50, not gonna be good. Apple got an upgrade, and this one is all about 220, 221 for a run up again. 4 hour, still not golden cross. Once it gives it another 4 hour MACD golden cross, it can go for a run up. It's still very bullish on daily and weekly. Pre-market 15:31 hours downward, so it's between 216.23 and 219. If it does break 219, it can run to 220.29 and 220.87. That's a major level. If 216 can hold it, back to 214, 213, 211 and lower. If 221 breaks, we're looking at 222, 224 and 226 next major level. Amazon was very weak last few days, but yesterday it tried to join the club of run up. 4 hour is near golden cross, so watch 184.34 and 185.35. Breaks that, it can run up again to 186, 188. If it falls again, 182 and 180 next levels. Nvidia showed what some weakness at open yesterday, then it run up, and then it was weak into the close yesterday again. Uh, So pre-market right now, 4 hour MACD is already dead cross before close yesterday, and 1 hour is downward too. 15 is dead cross, 30 is near dead cross. So we have to see opening action. If it falls, we're looking at 129, 128.87, and 127.5. If it runs up again, 132, 134.69, that's the next major level. AV, AVGO, it went to a new all-time high pre-market, but is pulling back pre-open. Um, if it runs up again, 1877, 1907 next major level. If 1847 can hold it, 1833 and 1819 is still very bullish on daily and weekly, but already did a big run up, so maybe some cool down ahead. 1531 hour, all MACDs curved down, and you can see here RSI is all in the overbought zone, so it's possible to have some cool down today. Coin gap down because of crypto's lower. If it goes lower again, 237, 233, and 230. Need to get above 241 for run up. It's interesting, MACD is downward, but TTM squeeze giving me a yellow bar. 241 pass again if we cryptos recover. 243, 245, 248. Netflix. Very strong name. Daily and weekly are very bullish upward. Weekly is about to enter the RSI overbought zone. It's not there yet. Daily already did. And we get the first light blue bar here, the second one. And pre-market right now, 30 and 1 hour is downward, but it's all about 679. If that one passed, we're looking at 684 and all-time high, and 708. All-time high is 700. 675 you can hold it, 672 and 663 next support levels. Meta was very weak yesterday, but then market run up, it tagged along and it came up. But pre-market right now not showing that much strength on the 1530 and 1 hour. So if 503 can hold it, back the run down again, 501, 499, 497. This is in the category of a little bit of weak names, so if market weakens, this one can fall. But if market gets crazy like yesterday, it can tag along and go 507, 511 and 514. Tesla. Oh, Tesla was a big run up yesterday, but pre-market right now, 1 hour is dead cross, 30 and 15 downward, pointing down, so it's hovering around 186.91. Need to clear 189.11 for run up. If 189 passes, we're looking at 191, 194 and 197. And supports to watch is 184, 183. If 183 breaks today, it can have a bigger pullback to a lower level. In general, it's getting very bullish on daily. You can see here the MACD is like going up crazy, and vertically, and weekly is very bullish too. So it does have a chance for a breakout, a bigger breakout, and the key level is 207. Once it breaks 207, it can go crazy. Microsoft. New all-time high yesterday. Pre-market 1530, 1 hour is dead cross downward, 4 hour kind of flat, and it's interesting that the weekly MACD is already golden cross confirmed. So every time it makes a new all-time high, it gives a little bit pullback or some consolidation. But this time we'll see what's gonna be. 451.65. That's the next key level to watch. Okay, above that we're looking at 491. So let me draw this one here. 451.65, 491.85. All right, so 451 if it does pass today, and next major level is 461, and yeah, but if 449 right now is hovering around it, if it pulls back 446, 444 next support level. Google, Google pre-market showing a little bit of weakness. Yesterday it was interesting. It run up. It was one of the first time to show weakness, and right now, so if it two key levels to watch is 176.48 and 178.44. If 178.44 breaks, 180, 181. If 176.48 can hold it, back to the lower level again. 1 hour MACD is dead cross, but is very bullish on the 4 hour. So it's all about market actions. So we'll see if they're gonna continue squeezing up higher or not. We have at 10 a.m. Fed barking and Fed calling at 11:40, and we have a very important event at 1 p.m. 20-year auction, and also Fed two other Fed members, Fed Logan and Kugler, are talking. There's like a Fed fiesta today. 1:20, 2 o'clock, two more Fed members. Too many Fed people talking today. So AMD yesterday made a new low for the season, and then it tried to join the run up. So right now 156.93 is a major support level right now holding. It's still very bearish on daily and weekly. 4 hours kind of flat. So once it clears 158.71 is strong. We're looking at 161, 164.46. If 156 breaks again, lower levels are 154, 152, and 151. SMCI crazy run up yesterday, but 4 hour we're getting another dark blue bar. Once the 4 hour dead crosses, then this run up is over. But otherwise, until then, it can go down and run up again. Pre market right now, not clear direction. 15 and 5, 15 and 30 is pointing down. 1 hour is near dead cross, so gotta pay attention to levels. If it falls, 870, 853 support levels. Need to clear 900 to go to 920, 912, and 928. If 928 breaks, 936, 948, and 960 next major level. SPY flat from yesterday, so if it continues higher, 548 next major level. Above that, we are looking at 553 and 559 next major level. If it pulls back this morning, we're looking at 545, 545.03 next major support level. Breaks below that, not gonna be good. QQQ, new all-time high pre-market. This one, if it runs up 488, 491 next major level. Above 491, those are the levels: 498, 500, 523. This is just non-stop parabolic going up. 483, 485, and 483.35, 45 is in support level. If it goes below that, not gonna be good. Can go lower. 4 hour, we're getting a first dark blue bar. If the 4 hour MACD dead cross again, gotta be cautious. Don't forget we have RSIs all in the overbought zone. What else you got here? SMH just keeps going higher and higher. This one, my next long target is 278, 292. Above that, 351, 400. These AI crazy. I don't think I mean, it's possible 400 to come this year. This AI all just flying up crazy. ARM, big yo-yo every day. Very bullish still on daily and weekly. Oh wait, just big yo-yo. This one, if it flies up, 161 is key. Past 162, 165, 167. If it falls, 158 can hold it. 156, 154. What else you got here? That's pretty much it on the major name. Oh, Snow was very interesting yesterday. We got the 4 hour MACD golden cross yesterday, and then daily and weekly they all got a yellow bar on the TTM squeeze, and it had a nice like 2-3 points run up. Need to clear 132.21 for running up for 134 and 139. But yeah, this one is getting interesting. MU is making a new all-time high again. 152 past 154, 157. What else? FSLR continues going lower. 4 hours still bearish downwards. So if it runs down, 251 is a key level to watch. If it doesn't, if it can't hold there, 241, 247, 243, and 240. Yep, that's from about that one. Dell was strong yesterday too. This one continues higher, 147, 149, and 151. QCOM, new all-time high. Um, this one 239, 261 next major levels. But let's see, yeah, 239. Okay, I need a fib here. I don't play this name that much. 223, 14, 239, 87. All right, so, oops. 223, 14. Sorry about that. We're almost done with the live, so feel free to leave if you want. Okay, I need to delete this one. I will do it later. Two 14, 239, 87. All right. So 227 is support if you can hold it back to 223, but there is a new all-time high. So if 230 passes again, we're looking at 233, 236, and 239. That's pretty much it. And there's a lot of Fed people talking today. 1 p.m. we have an auction. Yep. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. That helps a lot. And have a beautiful day and enjoy the holiday tomorrow.